The Computer Science Department at Bar-Ilan University is one of Israel's best and is considered a world leader in areas such as artificial intelligence, robotics, cybersecurity, and natural language processing. It is integral to keeping Israel safe and on the cutting edge of technology. The time has come to provide this world-class department with a home befitting of such scientific excellence. Introducing the Alexander Grass Computer Science Building at Bar-Ilan University. Cybersecurity is central to Israel's national security. Bar-Ilan ranks first among Israeli universities in applied cybersecurity and consistently draws top researchers from around the world. Teams of robots roam the floor while drones populate the airspace of the robotics lab. Bar-Ilan is home to Israel's leading robotics research group. The group works in tight collaboration with the IDF to develop autonomous robots that patrol and defend Israel's borders. Bar-Ilan is home to Israel's leading research group in artificial intelligence. AI systems developed at Bar-Ilan are currently deployed in a variety of settings, including guarding the Los Angeles International Airport, training hostage negotiators, and assisting the elderly. Our new state-of-the-art auditorium will provide a distinguished venue for hosting national and international conferences, as well as lectures by esteemed scientists. The elegantly designed foyer is a perfect venue for small gatherings, VIP welcome parties, and casual interaction during conferences. The spectacular courtyard is the heart of the building. All functions feed in and out of the courtyard, which is visible throughout the venue. The student study area will be the hub of all activity, providing students with the best environment to excel. The Alexander Grass Computer Science Building will, at last, provide a home to Bar-Ilan's Computer Science Department, now and for years to come. A world-class home for the cradle of future technological innovation for Israel.